Assalamu alaikum everybody, welcome in this lesson. So in this lesson we're talking about data classes, so let's get started. From data classes, import data classes. Okay, at data classes I will create classes as a person, and I will put name. The name is a string. You can put a default value like Ali, but I don't want to put any default value, and the age is integer, and the height is integer, and email is string. Okay, I want to create Ahmed is the person, and I want to put the name is Ahmed, and the age is 40, the height is 1.8 meter, and the email is ahmed@gmail.com. Now if I want to print Ahmed dot name and run this code python l.py. Okay, print Ahmed. So this method of building modern classes we do without initialization our representation because it's no by default. Why? Because we use data classes. Okay. I will import another thing is field. Okay, and I will put sort index. Source index is a string, and the default value is field. I will initialization is false, and representation is false. I don't need any representation our initialization, and the data classes I will put order is true. Okay, and put the method. The method is post init self. Okay, self dot sort index is equal self name. Okay, I will create this. Look at this and make comparison and run. True. So this code comparison purpose comparison Ahmed 1 and Ahmed 2 depend on what? Depend on name. So if we are depend on name. Age, we are depend on age is also true. Why? Because 40 is greater than 30. If I put to 50, it's false. Okay, keep going. I will put frozen. Frozen is true. That's mean we cannot change anything. Okay, what's that mean? Okay, Ahmed 1 dot name. Okay, dot age and I will create this code. Now if I print, okay, what's the problem? We have a problem. Okay, frozen is true, false, false. What? I have the problem. Okay, and line 7, what's the line 7? Ages, AGE. Okay guys, I change it by change this code. Okay, because we put the frozen is true. So okay, now print 4040. Now if I change the Ahmed1.age is equal 99, will run a print error because it's frozen, cannot change anything. Okay. Now I will put another thing is another classes. So the another classes is okay. I will delete this code and create classes employee and frozen. Okay, person, inherit from person, and use at data classes and put frozen is true. Frozen is true. Okay. Salary is integer and type is string. Okay. I will put employee1 is equal from employee. I will put this data early and 43 age, I 1.9, and the email is early at gmail.com, and the salary is 1,500 and the department is counting. Okay, now if I print employee1, okay, and print that. When you inherit from frozen classes, should put the other classes is frozen. So I inherit from this frozen classes, so this is I will inherit from person. You should put employee classes as also frozen, and then I will say goodbye.